Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in the KuCoin app. First, download the KuCoin app from your app store and register using your email or phone number. Make sure to complete identity verification to unlock full trading features and higher limits. This step is crucial for security and compliance, ensuring a smooth experience as you begin your crypto journey. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet or use a credit or debit card to purchase crypto directly within the app. Another option is to transfer funds through a supported third-party payment provider. Choose the method that best suits your needs to get started quickly. Now for the main event, buying crypto. Head to the Buy Crypto section in the app. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and choose your preferred payment method. Review all the transaction details carefully, including the amount and fees, then confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. After buying, you can easily manage your assets by viewing your portfolio and tracking their performance over time. The KuCoin app also offers advanced trading features, such as futures and margin trading, for those looking to explore more complex strategies. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers that make meal prep easy, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you confidently navigate the KuCoin app for your crypto needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.